All right, one last word problem. Our one word problem for system of equations, and it's about Ahad and Katherine who are swimming. And they swam 18 miles last weekend, but Katherine swam 4 more miles than Ahad. We're going to write a system of equations to help determine how far each swimmer swam. So, first of all, what do you want to assign variables, or who do you want to assign what to as considering the variables that we have here? Amin?
A and K. A for Ahad and K for Katherine.
So A is going to represent Ahad. Very clever. And K is going to represent Katherine. So, we know that we have to come up with 2 equations. What would be the 2 equations we're going to need to solve this problem? I mean,
K equals A plus 4.
so Katherine equals however far Ahad swam plus 4 more miles, right?
And the second equation is A plus K equals 18.
A, Ahad, plus K, Katherine, equals 18. Do you guys agree with his 2 equations? Because together, Ahad and Katherine swam 18 miles. And we know that Katherine swam 4 more miles than Ahad, so K equals A plus 4. You guys cool with that?
Mm-hmm.
Lily?
Could you just have done 18 minus A is equal to K? So
18 minus A equals K. Okay, then what? Then just solve for A?
yeah.
So you didn't do a system?
No, you do. So you do that one. K equals A plus 4.
And then you did?
K equals 18 minus A.
Yes, you can do that too. Okay, cool with that. All right, so we have our 2 systems. Do we want to, or do we need to solve for anything here? Do we need to solve to figure out what A or K is, or do we already know one?
We know one.
We know K is A plus 4, right?
Yeah.
So since we know K equals A plus 4, what are we going to do, Amin?
We're going to do A plus 4 equals 18.
So if K equals A plus 4, we're going to use this right there, correct? So it's going to be A plus whatever K is, which is going to be A plus 4, and it's going to be equal to 18. You guys cool with that step?
Yep.
Okay, Amin?
Combine like terms.
And you get?
2A plus 4.
Be careful now. I've seen people multiply these together. They're not multiplying, they're adding. So you got 1A plus 1A is 2A. So 2A plus 4 equals 18.
Then
Amin?
subtract 4 from both sides. And you get 2A equals 14. Then you divide by 2.
Yep.
Then you get A equals 7.
So we know Ahad swam 7. How are we going to solve for Katherine? And you do need to show it. I know you guys know what 7 plus 4 is, but you do need to show it anyways.
You have to plug in for K equals A plus 4, so you have to do K equals 7 plus 4.
So we're going to plug into one of our equations. So I want you to plug into K equals 7 plus 4, and then you've got K equals 11. You don't have to box these 2 answers because I'll be able to find them, especially if you're working vertical.
Then box them.
Okay? And how are we going to box them?
I'm just going to put, since Ahad's name is first 7 and 11.
Okay, so we're going to go 7 and 11. So my advice too would maybe use X and Y. X for Ahad or Y for Katherine, but if you did it this way, I would be okay with that as well. Smart people do what? Double check their work, and I'm guessing you guys can score this one yourself. You know how the points are going to work. It's not quite worth 15 points, but it's still worth quite a few points. Questions, comments, quandaries, scribbles, quotes, queries on word problems? There's Charlotte.
If I do like a split like how we did on the other problems, would that be fine?
I'm okay with splits too. Yep. You don't have to, considering you're not solving for one. You already know what one equals, but that's cool too. Shh. Anything else?